You're looking at a vacuum cleaner, the OKOAK K13. You're looking at the OKOAK K13 vacuum cleaner for household, automobiles, stairs, and more. We're going to unpack, show you what this vacuum cleaner is all about. From the company's OKOAK is a 45Kpa 60-minute vacuum. The K13-7S self-standing tangle-free 550-watt vacuum going to open up as a cordless vacuum for hard wooden floors, carpentry, and more. It's a lightweight vacuum cleaner. Comes nicely packaged, everything wrapped up, instructions laid on top. You have all your parts and material, battery operated. You have a long vacuum tube with the locking mechanism that pushes in. The color scheme is purple. This is the shaft that opens up, that extends by pushing the button in increments. Ran off of a power cord with a special dedicated DIN plug, a hanging bracket to hang on the wall, all your accessories, and the vacuum cleaner. Your brush and short tube that simply press the button that releases the brush, or the short tube, automobiles, stairs, upholstery, and more. A small cleaning brush with the hook and brush. The hardware screws for the bracket to hang. The cleaning head roller measures about 12 inches. The cleaning head with red and black wheels with rubber and a swivel area. Please remember to peel off the film of the front head. The rechargeable battery is an 8 times 2200 milliamp battery. Takes up to 4 hours to fully charge. A cleaning cone. And last but not least, your power head unit that runs the show. You have your locking mechanism that releases your dirt. Locking mechanism, buttons, switches to run the unit. Please remember to peel off the sticker of the control panel. You have your buttons to run in 3 different KPA modes: normal, sport, and turbo. We're going to hang our unit up in our location with the round towards our left. Pick a spot on the wall and lock down. We're going to charge our battery for the first time by unwrapping. Plugging into the top of the unit to charge. We have a blue indicator flashing. It should go out when 100% charged. The assembly of the vacuum cleaner is just simply grabbing the hoses and matching up like for like. Snapping in place. And depending on what you want to use, the head, and the height you want to adjust. We have a spare cone. We have a unlock switch and a lock by holding the lock button, rotating and lifting up and away. Inside is the cone with the lock and unlock. We're going to turn and unlock. For the first time, it's difficult to release. You need to grab and give a solid pull. It'll come out. You're able to clean the filter with the brush and the point and place in a new filter by simply matching up and dropping in and turning. To empty out the bottom is a simple button press so you can clean out as well as brush around and reclose. To place back on, simply match up the locking tab and number and twist. If you're looking to clean stairs, automobile, you have the small brush head that goes in, snaps into place, adjust the angle you need so you can clean. Simply remove and place in the long nozzle as well, red facing to the sky. Placing on the long nozzle, self-standing by simply placing the head on the floor, snapping into place, and stands up right. When the battery is fully charged, simply snap in by sliding down and pressing down. To operate the unit, the on and off switches, pick the speed you like, sport, and off. To turn the unit on, it goes into sport mode by a short press. Pressing the right hand button, turbo, normal, and sport, giving the amount of time. When hanging up your product, it fits into the battery area and locks into place. Choose the height you like. It freestands off the floor as well. With the attachment pieces, they snap into place, like so. They're easily to remove by pressing the button, lifting out, and placing back in. Lifting up on the handle removes the vacuum, and placing back in and recharging is from the top to your outlet. On the vacuum's front are 4 green lights. What we're going to do is put our foot over here gently to free the vacuum and vacuum a hard floor. It is enough to get underneath the sofa and vacuum. The handle's adjustable to make it lower. Vacuum a carpet on a hard floor. We need to clean a pair of stairs, so we are able to remove the head, take the bottom off, switch on to the head, and choosing turbo mode. To standard mode. It's easy as 1, 2, 3 to remove the head, match up the arms, lock them into place, and adjust the height and turn on and vacuum. We're going to be adjusting the vacuum's height by pressing the button and choosing the height. If we place the vacuum on the floor, and vacuum on hard floor and carpentry, picks up all the dirt around. Self-upright vacuum, 90 degrees, tangle free. Clean the carpets, mats. The cordless vacuum cleaner to empty out as simple as pressing the button. Everything drops out. Nice and clean. Close up for the next time. As you can see, it picked up connectors, debris, dirt, dust. There's a couple of micro screws and paper. Long hours of use of a vacuum cleaner. Multiple uses with brushes and hoses. Simple to change out and place on. Self-standing and easy to install. Normal, sport, and turbo with the removable battery to charge by the counter or by the mount. The OKOAK K13 vacuum for your needs of household cleaning. Thank you for viewing.